Okay, hi everyone. So we're back, and I primed my lids using the two concealers, Juvias Place in 9 and Crayon Case in 7. So all I'm gonna do is buff this out and set it using my Real Technique buffer shading brush. And today we're doing a purple glitter smoky cut crease. Just something different I wanted to try. So we're gonna go in with that what is that, a Real Technique brush? Yeah, it is. Using the, no, that's not it. That's the crayon case, sorry. And we're gonna be using the James Charles palette. I'm sorry y'all, I just woke up. And we're gonna place that black all up in the crease, because we kind of want the black to show, but not really. So we're gonna pat that right into our crease, and you want to keep building it until it doesn't have that wet, creamy look anymore. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using the Real Technique brush, and we're gonna get that reddish shade. Okay, I think like reddish and oranges and all that. It's a good blend out shade for like blacks and browns and stuff. I just like it. And we're just gonna buff that into there. Oh, well, I guess I didn't buff it into there. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna go with the pencil brush by Morphe. And we're gonna pat it on the outer V, and we're gonna pat it right above that black. As you can see, we're gonna keep building the color up to where it doesn't look really creamy or wet anymore, okay? When it doesn't look like the concealer is bleeding through the eyeshadows.
I don't even fucking, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. But I'm gonna drop this on Valentine's Day. Like, what's love? Love is when you give a bitch trust and you know you fucked up. Love is when you tell her who you are, but she too stuck up. Love is when you crying on the end.
Okay, so now I'm going in using the Morphe brush. That's really, it's like a little mini buffer brush. And I'm going to place that brown in between that red and the black, just to give it like a nice, because it just looked like a harsh line. So I'm just going to place that in there just to blend it all out and just, yeah.
Love. Like, what's love? What's love? Love is when you give a bitch your all and she won't give you none. Love is when you working while they shine like the motherfucking sun. Love is when they treat you like two, but you really number one. What's love? Like, what's love? I don't know how to love. I know I'm bound to fuck up. You better put your trust in God.
Okay, so once we have all that blended out, we're going to go in and we're going to cut the crease, using the Juvias Place 9 Magical Concealer and the flat brush by the Crayon Case. So, I love Crayon Case brushes. Like, y'all gonna see me using these brushes all the time. I love them. I'm gonna order some more. But yeah, we're gonna cut that crease like we normally do.
Put your trust in us. I got a bank full of funds. I might hit your strip to throw ones. Yeah, and we was just having fun. But now nigga feeling for your love, but I know I can't get it. Even though this sex good, I can't feel it. You on top while I'm staring at the ceiling. We should tell them about this story and make a killing. When I'm in it from the back, I'm trying to drill it. All that scratching on my back, you need to kill it, yeah. And all that scratching on my back.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm taking that purple shade from James Charles palette. I'm using the flat brush, and I'm just gonna pack that shadow on. I'm gonna pat it on. Then when I need some, I'm gonna pack it on. So pat and pack it on all the way through on both eyes.
Like what's love? Love is when you give a bitch trust and you know you fucked up. Love is when you tell her who you are, but she too stuck up. Love is when you crying on the inside, screaming fuck love. Yeah, like what's love? What's love? Love is when you give a bitch your all and she won't give you none. Love is when you working while they shine like the motherfucking sun. Love is when they treat you like two, but you really number one. What's love? Like what's love? Everybody gang when them cameras out. Yeah, I seen them niggas run when them bammers out. And when we done with them hammers pass.
Okay, so I'm using the Kiss adhesive to apply my glitter. I'm going to apply it everywhere. I use the purple. I'm using, what is this called? Purple Highness or something. I think that's what it's called. The glitter is by J Cat Beauty. Yeah, I think it's called, no, it's called Royal Highness. I'm sorry, y'all. It's called Royal Highness, and we're just going to pat that glitter on everywhere that we applied that glue to. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to apply glitter now. This is like my third time using glitter. I'm trying to do this 2-week glitter thing, but it's not going to work because I do have a job. So I'm going to try to see what I can do. But yeah, this is really, really a cute glitter. I love it.
They got too many bodies, put them in the ground. What's love? Gotta fuck these hoes with a glove. Cause they hoes there try to fuck you up. Get you with a child support and a whole lot of stuff. But they know they can't get it. Even though the sex good, she can't feel it. She be riding while I'm staring at the ceiling. I should tell them about that story and make a killing. And when I'm in it from the back, I'm trying to drill it. And all that scratching on my neck, you need to kill it. What's love? Love is when you give a bitch trust and you know you fucked up. Love is when you tell her who you are, but she too stuck up. Love is when you crying on the inside, screaming fuck love. Yeah, like what's love? What's love? Let's get it. Ready for war, militant minded, I'm a young soldier. If you don't feel it in the air, you need to come closer. I got dreams of being better than a young hover. But where I'm from, even your family give you cold shoulders. They put your dreams in the backseat until somebody open the door and notice you not your family. They need to cool it with that fake love. I was raised by real killers and drug dealers, not fake dogs. I ain't political, but mama acting lyrical. We could be shoulder to shoulder, but I ain't feeling you. We could be face to face, but I ain't hearing you. I'm hitting point blank.
Alright, so now I'm going to with NYX liquid liner, and I'm going to just do a nice thick liner. Y'all know I love a nice thick liner. So, I mean, the next video I have coming up will be a periwinkle glitter cut crease. I don't know what inspired me to do that look, but I was like nervous because, you know, when you just try something out of your box, it's very, very nerve-wracking. But, I mean, everybody liked it. It was really, really cute. But I'm just going to go ahead and let the whole video play. Next, you will just see clips of me doing my foundation routine. But I want to thank you all for rocking with me, banging with me, supporting me, watching my videos every time. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying, but thanks.
You and I done seen a lot of lame shit, like two niggas getting killed over the same bitch. Yeah, and everybody scream the same thing. From my hood to your hood, we screaming gang gang. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to change on me. Like everybody in my past, you ain't the same, homie. Niggas started acting different when I put them chains on me. Got a little money in them bitches and that fame on me. Now I walk around paranoid, clutching heavy. Cause if he acting flaky, he getting buried. I'm from the city, ain't no bitch and I ain't scary. It's kinda odd when you ain't got your parents. Ain't no ferries, ready for war. Kick down the door, shoot, put your mask on, lace up your boots. Fuck the other side, cause they know that we the truth. And bitch, we run the whole city, you can see the proof. And we done lost some brothers on this road. That's why my brother walk around with a dirty pole. Whoa, and I can't tell them shit, that's just how we was raised. Fuck bitches, get money, we straight. Who you gon' run to when the sun goes down? Dead bodies, mama crying, don't come around. Pay attention, nigga, step it up. And if your friend envy you, that boy might set you up. Hey, like a pool, they might wet you up. Yeah, fuck nigga, what you flexing for? And you better keep your head on a swivel. Yeah, cause they might just try to kill you. Ready for war, militant minded, I'm a young soldier. If you don't feel it in the air, you need to come closer. I got dreams of being better than a young hover. But where I'm from, even your family give you cold shoulders. They put your dreams in the backseat until somebody open the door and notice you not your family. They need to cool it with that fake love. I was raised by real killers and drug dealers, not fake thugs. I ain't political, but mama acting lyrical. We could be shoulder to shoulder, but I ain't feeling you. We could be face to face, but I ain't hearing you. I'm hitting point blank brain, so I ain't missing you. And I done seen a lot of lame shit, like two niggas getting killed over the same bitch. Yeah, and everybody scream the same thing. From my hood to your hood, we screaming gang gang. Yeah, 30 clip, drop his whip. Whoa, and ain't no cheat codes, got a lot of bullets, let's reload. We treat the Jets like the stores, we ain't never close. Before football, I seen weed, bass, and blow. And I'm going to war for all my brothers, that's some real shit. And if you wasn't in them trenches, you won't feel it. Just treat his head like a tool and hit the kill switch. You'll give a nigga everything and he'll still switch. Major smoke with this nigga I went to school with. Can't let him kill me cause my mama ain't had 2 kids. Go to bustin' at his top like he got 2 legs. Catch a body, don't show my teeth like I'm toothless. Ice Cube, ECE, we so ruthless. These ain't no Nikes on my feet, so you can't do this. And I won't change up on my brothers, that's a no-no. And I still got that N16 by the front door. Yeah, ready for war, run down, shoot. You catch your mans, you know just what to do.